This is something which is a very scary thing. This Donapaula Jetty is one of the most iconic tourist spot. आणि जे आमचे सरकार हा हे लायटली केला. आता हांव पळयता जाल्यार सांजेच्या टायमार सगळो लोक येता लीन करता हेजेर. आता हे 4 या 7 जाणांनी लीन करून हे मोडला. एक वीक जाला आता हो मोडोन हा अजून पासून सारकें करूंक ना. सेक्युरिटी दवरला आनी लोकांक सांगपाक जाय न्हू बाबा लीन करनाका. अशें जालें जाल्यार आनीक जावपाक जाता. This is all salt air that is damaging the iron railing that is over there. So this is something that the government needs to look into. 4 वर्सां बंद जालेले renovation crore पैसे मोडला. In crores they have spent money for the renovation work, and we see the shoddy work that has been done over here by the contractors, and whoever's taken this contract should be responsible for this. They take 50 rupees entry for all the tourists that are entering in. What is the safety assurance it's been given? If you see any railing, the railings are broken. You see the lights are not even replaced or even done. So taking 50 rupees for what? You see the benches down below, those are getting corroded over there. So what material is being used in the sea facing area? How dangerous this is for the public? This is safety concern. Goa is a tourist state. I mean, we have to protect and make sure that our tourists are safe over here. Here people are leaning because it's an iconic viewpoint. But what if this breaks and someone loses a life? Who's going to be held responsible and who's going to be held accountable is something that we need to ask. So requesting the tourism minister, even the CCP in charge over the Bay, what are you all doing about this? 1 week? 1 week does it take for you all to get this replaced? So the contractors need to be questioned and asked because people's lives are at risk. God knows what else is going to break over here soon. And I think so they're waiting for a tragedy to happen, only then action will be taken.
कुछ आ रही है
रेलिंग का अभी अच्छा करने के बाकी है और सिक्योरिटी के बारे में थोड़ा मुश्किल है कि बोले तो अभी अच्छा तरह सिक्योरिटी किया तो टूरिस्ट वाले को अच्छा होता. अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी का करने के बाकी है. थोड़ा साइड रेलिंग का वीक हो रहा है. उसके बारे में कौन भी लोग गए तो वो टूटने के चांसेस है. इसके लिए वो थोड़ा अभी करने का बाकी है.
ओके, क्या कहना चाहते हैं गवर्नमेंट को बारे में इसके ऊपर?
गवर्नमेंट अभी ज़रा अच्छी तरह टूरिस्ट के लिए अच्छी तरह अरेंजमेंट करने के अच्छा करने का चाहिए.
रिपेयर करने
जी.